What's up guys, today's video is on the best MIG welders. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Hobart Handler 210 MIG Welder. The top overall MIG welder on the market can be found in the Hobart Handler 210 MVP MIG Welder. It is a great mix of price in terms of amperage, as well as premium components. It's not the most expensive device on our list, but it's the best for the cost and has a good reputation for dependability. It comes with a broad choice of settings for amperage, as well as a vast and wider range of wire speeds. This gives you complete control over setting the ideal configuration for each task. It doesn't require much expertise to set up and operate. It's made to be used in any type of environment, which includes industrial welding shops. However, it's also a breeze to use by those who are just beginning to learn the basics. The 210 MVP isn't suited for working on site or moving between locations, often because it is heavier than other 210 amp welding machines. However, it's perfect for stationary workstations and has a well-planned layout to make it easy to work. It creates a remarkably smooth, even line. It does not give you surprises and is free of spatter issues. Unlike inferior MIG machines, this machine is ideal for beginners who want a top-quality machine to start learning on, or for fabrication shop owners seeking a budget-friendly machine that is reliable. It's a favorite among many avid welders across the globe and is sure to provide you with all you need in the machine to provide an output of 210 amps. Number 2. Millermatic 211 MIG Welder. Its Miller Electric Millermatic 211 MIG Welder is a top-quality machine which is used by the most professional welders in the globe. It's a costly option bought for its reliability, outstanding performance, and portability. It's suitable for use in any workshop environment. However, it's perfect for high-end work outside of the workshop. It features a distinctive smooth start technology that makes sure that when the wire forms the arc, there's no spatter or deformed profile that other machines create. There are other larger welding machines that have this feature. However, this Millermatic 211 is the only machine that falls into the smaller MIG category that includes it. You can't find an even more reliable welding machine available. It's more expensive, however, its lifetime value as well as the high quality of the job done make it an investment worth the cost. The lead length of 10 feet isn't longer than we'd like, but it's very rare to find a standard lead that's any length. A chart is also available located on the interior of the spools door if you're in need of direction, as well as a detailed guide to the voltage dial, which will give you an idea about the amount of amperage you should be using. If you're considering buying this welding machine, it's beneficial to know that Miller offers a money-back guarantee for purchases made through an authorized dealer, such as Miller's own dealers on the market. Number 3. LOTOS MIG 175 MIG Welder. If you're not averse to an inferior quality welder, but would like more variety with your MIG welding experience, then we suggest using the LOTOS MIG 175 AMP MIG Welder. It's got some great features, like its aluminum spool gun included. The majority of MIG machines can be used for welding aluminum. However, they can't feed the aluminum wire unless they have a specially made spool gun. The spooler that comes with it allows the wire to be fed smoothly, and it is able to come out without folding the lead. The machine does not come with an extended warranty. However, it's a budget-friendly machine that's recognized for its ability to last even after the warranty expires. The weld's quality isn't as good as the Miller standard, however, it's not far off and will yield nice speeds on any type of metal that is weldable. It makes mostly spatter-free welding also, as long as you set the welder at the correct setting. It usually produces a tiny amount of spatter, but it's nothing when compared to other machines of lower quality. The lead in the welding gun aren't as good as we've seen. Number 4. Weldpro Inverter Stick Arc MIG Welder. Its Weldpro 150 amp inverter MIG Welder is a great machine for those who are looking for a budget-friendly machine. It's one of the smaller MIG welders available in this class, and, with it being capable of connecting to 2 power points, it's very versatile in its power supply. We also love the 4T and 2T switches. It allows both manual and automated wire feeding, based on the kind of welding you're making or your preference. If you're running beads that are long or welding in awkward places, in which you aren't able to maintain the torch correctly, then you can allow it to feed automatically to make the job more efficient. The leads aren't longer than we'd like, however, It's a less expensive model that allows for buying other aftermarket parts, such as an extended gun lead, should you're in need of it. Weldpro is a well-established firm that builds welders and has been on the market for a long time. Number 5. Reboot MIG 150 220V MIG Welder. If you're looking for a budget machine that is basic, however, it still has the ability to weld effectively and is reliable, then it's the Reboot MIG 150 DC Inverter MIG Welder is an ideal option. The instruction manual included with the unit isn't particularly informative, but the machine is simple to use, and you don't require it unless you have an understanding of welding machines. There is less expensive equipment available, however. It's likely they won't perform as well as this. It's not the best option, however. For lighter welding, the bead is clean with little splashes. It can weld at an average temperature. With its maximum output of 150 amps, we would not recommend purchasing it if you're planning to join anything greater than 3/16 inches in the event that you need to weld more than one pass. The MIG 150 is only able to run with a power source of 220 volts. And is therefore less popular. If you have only 220 volts in your garage, it's fine. However, should you require it in multiple places, or you don't have access to 220 volts, then we wouldn't recommend this. Reboot provides decent customer service. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.